Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy, into a wealthy British family.
In 1851, she chose to work as a nurse and went to Germany to study nursing.
In 1854, she traveled to the Crimean War to help wounded soldiers and take care of those in need.
In 1855, she received the famous name the Lady with the Lamp because she visited the soldiers during the night.
After the war in 1856, she began to improve the military health system.
In 1859, she wrote notes on nursing about to taught people how to be good nurses.
In 1860, she opened her own nursing school in London, which became very important.
Florence Nightingale died in 1910 at the age of 90, and she is still remembered as a hero.